I guess it'd be a good time to update you guys. I go do a little trench repair kind of thing. Some pipe broke in a factory. We've worked in before previously. It's my uncle's factory. But anyways, gotta go fix something for him. So I gotta go saw cut and remove something, and we'll be in and out pretty quickly. So see you there. So this is a real fast and easy job. Way smaller than I thought, but it's an emergency job. So basically, he needs something done now for his factory to get an inspection done, and he needs it now. So when you get emergency jobs, you get paid a lot more because they need it now. Literally 15 by 1. This thing is so dirty, bro. I haven't pulled this thing out in about a month. It's gonna wash it so bad. I got real busy. I haven't updated. This is a result of a pain in the ass. The ground here, was actually no parking lot, so I was hammering into the actual dirt. It was pretty crazy, but just there. So we got it out. Messy, but we did it. So follow Snap if you guys already haven't. Like this. Look at that shit, man. It's a whole parking lot underneath here. Yeah, I know I didn't talk too much with the video, but I guess I'm wrapping it up. It was a real simple, real clean job. Other than that, there's not much going on. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and say what's up. Thanks, guys.